Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have two huge boxes. There's one, and here's two. You guys, phew. Let's open these up and see what we've got here. Now, I haven't done a Stampin' unboxing in a while, but there's new stuff in here. There's old stuff in here. There's like last chance stuff. So we will see what we've got. So I'm kind of in a different spot right now because the boxes are so big and I wanted to do it in my dining room. I haven't done my dining room in quite a while. So let's see. I love the bubble wrap. And you guys, some of these are prizes. I'm going to be doing a new game, and some of this is some great stuff. This is the Stampin' blend storage because new blends came out, so I wanted to make sure I got some of those. This one I think is the open one. This is the open storage. I like to put ribbon in there, and I just wanted to get an extra one. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is one of my prizes. So we are going to play a game, and it will have a class, and you can purchase kind of like the game, you know, the punch cup, I think is what it's called. But where you punch it and you pick a prize, and there's going to be prizes in there. And 10 people get to come to this class and purchase a cup for $30. And there's going to be prizes in here, like the Stamparatus. What's the Stamparatus? Like $49, I think. The prizes are going to be good. There's going to be a mini Stampin' cut in there. And then all the prizes in there are going to be valued at least $25. So if you want information on that, make sure you visit beautyandthestamper.com, sign up for the newsletter, or go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. I'll put all the links down below. Let's see, we've got, what is this? Calypso Coral. And what is this one? Is it Magenta Madness? It is. It's the Magenta Madness. So I got some new blends. I also picked up the Seashells embossing folder, and that is for one of you beauties. I bought that for you. You know who you are already. So I also picked up some of the gusseted bags, the printed ones. I think those are retiring, but they're so pretty, so I had to pick them up. And then, you guys, this is retiring, so get it. It's the fine tip glue pen. It was not in the new catalog. I can't tell you about the new catalog, but I can tell you what is not in there. And then I picked up some of the basic white cardstock as well. So you can't go wrong with basic white cardstock. So I grabbed those. That's a good little haul, right? Well, now, probably what you've been waiting for. Oh man. And just so you know, I cannot remember right this minute, but I do know that I have not announced what the month's stamp set is for the next online class. So, oh, by the way, that cup class, I don't know what to call it. I'm figuring out a name. That's why I really haven't put it out there yet, other than now it's out there. It might be called like Pick a Prize or something like that. I don't know. This box is humongous. We got more of this bubble wrap. I love the bubble wrap because I use it for my Tinker Toasts. If you haven't seen my Tinker Toasts, let me know. It's so much fun. I do it for baby gender reveals. Okay, this is a demonstrator order. So in order to get any of this stuff, you have to be a demonstrator. Well, not any of it. There's other stuff I'm sure I threw on there, but I'll let you know. This is the Happy Trails mug. Again, these are for demonstrators. Now, if I buy them, I might be using them for like prizes or something like that. But this one is not going to be a prize. This one is going to be mine. And it is a Stampin' Up. It's a ceramic mug. You see that there? And it says Happy Trails in there. Isn't that cute? We've got another one here. This is in Old Olive. And the same thing. This side looks like this. And that side looks like that. So grab those. I need to make sure. This probably isn't the best place to do it, but I guess it's better than being like underneath, right? So I also got some clear cellophane bags. Sometimes I put my classes in those before I ship them, or when I had in-person like bingo classes, I did that. So, all right, ready to see some fun stuff? I've got the Color and Contour. It's a photopolymer stamp set. It looks like that. I've got this one that says Elegantly Said. Super pretty. And these are going to be in the new catalog. If you haven't got your new catalog yet, they were sent out, so it is taking a little bit of time to get there. And here we go. We've got the in colors, the in color markers. We've got in color stamp pads. Let's go through them, okay? We've got the Evening Evergreen. We've got Polished Pink. This one is called Soft Succulent. Isn't that pretty? We've got the Fresh Freesia. And then this one is called Pale Papaya. So we've got Pale Papaya. And then these are Scalloped Contours dies. Now I can't remember what I got. But I love that being a demonstrator, we can order everything in advance. So I get to see everything, play with it. If you guys are interested in being on my team, I would love to have you. It's only $99 to join, and you get to pick $125 worth of stuff. So this one is called, again, the Scalloped Contour Dies. Now I gotta show these to you, because if I bought them, it's because they're gorgeous. And now I'm remembering what they are. They've got scallops. Look at those. Are those adorable? They're gonna be so fun. Now I've got a couple boxes of, I'm grabbing all my stuff here. I have a few more things to show you. I just want to peek underneath, make sure these are catalogs in here. So I cannot show you the new catalog until May 3rd. But again, if you want one, I will put a link down below so you can get one. If you ordered over $50 from me in the past year, you will be getting one yourself that I sent to you already. So you may have received it, or you'll be getting one. But look at this. This is a new punch. It's called the Elegant Tag Punch, and you can make all kinds of tags. And then I just ordered this one because I wasn't sure, and it is the new 2021 in color cardstock. So I'm gonna be doing a color club. Again, I will put some information in my newsletter about it. So if you wanted to get these colors, you could do so instead of spending all at one time. Each month you get a different color. So like it might start out with the freesia, you would get the ink pad, you would get the paper, you would get the marker. What else? There's other things that'll be in the newsletter. Oh, these little guys. Is that this one? Yes. The in color jewels, you'll get those. Right? And so it's going to be pretty cost effective. And these are really jewelly. They are very, does it say it, the word that I'm looking for on here? It doesn't. But it's really like shimmery. Okay, the last thing that I have to show you is these little bee trinkets. They're little teeny tiny bees. They're so cute. I know you won't be able to see it, but it comes with how many? Is it 12 or 24? My old eyes. It looks like 20. You never know. It could be 28. But can you see that? I don't know if you can or not. It's just a teeny tiny bee, and it's so tiny. Look at how tiny it is. So that's it. There's so many in there. You see that? So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, that would be me. Feel free to seek me out. Again, links below for everything in the description. And I will talk to you later. Okay, bye!